When selecting a video format, we select the container, the video encoder, and also the bit depth and the chroma subsampling. If the source video has different bit depth or chroma subsampling, the conversion will be configured automatically. We can select Pro formats, Consumer formats, or Video re-wrapping. The re-wrapping modes copy the source video without re-encoding. When selected, the settings and filters that require video processing will be automatically disabled. If the video format or encoder selected can be configured, the configuration buttons will be enabled. For example, when selecting a Move container, we can set the container options by pressing the Options button. These are the options for Move container. Here we can select the All Tracks Enabled button. In case you are encoding videos with multiple audio tracks, check it if your video editor only shows the first track. If the Fast Start option is enabled, video information is stored at the beginning of the file. The Coral Atom is used by some video editors. Enable it if your video editor requires it. When selecting a MXF OP-Atom format, we can add standard metadata and set the markers options. The markers can be managed in the Video Trim dialog. When selecting a video re-wrapping modes to Move and MP4, the audio format can be selected in the Options dialog. Here the encoder and the audio bit rate can be set. When selecting a configurable encoder in custom mode, for example the HEVC encoder, we can configure the encoder opening the codec configuration dialog. Here we can set the video and audio encoder options. The encoder configuration can be saved to a preset for fast configuration. The destination folder for the rendered videos can be set by pressing the Select Destination Folder button. Here we can select a destination folder and also save it to favorite folders. By activating the Rename feature, we can set the rendered video's file name, and also add a suffix and prefix, or include the file time and date. To add only a prefix or suffix to the original file name, check the button Prefix or Suffix Only and check the Add Suffix button. The button Reset All Settings sets all the program configuration to default values. The Favorite Presets allows to quickly configure the program using a preset or a user-defined preset. To remove presets from the list, select Remove Favorite Preset from the menu. And to add a preset to the list, open the Presets dialog, select a preset and press the Add Preset to Favorites button. For more information about see the presets tutorial. If the option Remove Processed Videos from List is set, then when starting a job the videos will be removed from Media List. To add only the selected videos to a job, check the button Process Only Selected Videos. For example, if we are color correcting some videos, we can send a job with only the corrected videos to be rendered, and continue working with other videos. If Overwrite Existing Videos option is set, then if a video with the same file name exists in the destination folder, it will be overwritten. When producing videos for editing, it is very useful to create video proxies. For example, we can create final 4K videos, and also HD proxies for faster editing. To configure the proxies, open the Proxies Configuration dialog. Here we can select the proxy's video format, the dimensions and the proxies folder. We can also add a burn-in filter only to the proxies. For example, we can create the final videos and the proxies with a burn-in time code. When Create Proxies option is enabled, the final videos will be rendered, and also the proxies. For creating only proxies, check the button Only. For more information, see the Proxies tutorial. The Join mode can be activating by checking the button Join. When activated, all the videos added to the job will be joined to one video. The joined video dimensions, frame rate, and audio tracks will be taken from the selected video. For example, When selecting this 1080-30p video, the videos with different dimensions and frame rates will be converted and joined to a 1080-30p video. Or a conversion can be configured in Transform and Audio panels. For example, by selecting the standard HD 1080-24p, all the videos will be converted and joined to a 1080-24p video. The audio tracks configuration is also taken from the selected video or from the audio panel if it is set. For detailed information, see the Join Mode tutorial. We can preview the video with current settings and filters by pressing the button Preview Video in the Produce panel, or in the Information panel. The video position for the preview will be taken from the position set in Video Trim, Color Correction or the Aspect Ratio dialog. To set a video position for the preview, for example, open and set it in the Trim dialog. The preview video is created using the selected encoder and multiple video previews can be created for comparing. After finishing the configuration, press the button Start Job. If there is any error, for example an encoder not supporting the video format, the error will appear in the Info panel. All the videos or the selected videos will be added to a job and sent to the job server. The job server can render up to 4 videos simultaneously. Depending on the configuration settings or the encoder selected, the number can be reduced automatically. For example, when encoding using a Nvidia GPU card, the maximum number of simultaneous encoder sessions may be limited to 2. Here we can check the number of jobs added, the job settings information, and the file names of the videos in the job. When adding a job to the server while there is another job being rendered, the job will be added to the waiting list. To remove a job in the waiting list, select it and press the button Remove Selected Job. And here we can cancel the current job, or all jobs. While the job server is working, we can continue preparing videos and adding more jobs. For example, if we want to convert the selected videos to 24p, just set it in the Transform panel. Then we can add a suffix to the file name. And send the new job to the job server. In the tutorials page you can find more tutorials about the program features and filters. Thanks for watching.